Hello everyone. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here, and today we are with a very special success story of one of our students, SHAGUN Sharma. So basically, SHAGUN belongs to Himachal Pradesh, and he did his masters from JNDU, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, in environmental sciences, and he was a part of our offline center program, and he prepared with us and guided by the expert faculty of A.S.S. Science Foundation at our center in Delhi. And he was able to qualify NET-JRF in first attempt in the attempt of September 2022, right? Then after we were guiding him for the various interviews and entrances. In that series, he appeared for entrance in the interview of IIT MANDI, which is one of the prestigious institute in Himachal Pradesh, IIT MANDI. And in that series, he was able to qualify the entrance and the interview of School of Civil and Environmental Engineering, IIT MANDI, and got the final PhD selection under School of Civil and Environmental Engineering at IIT MANDI. On this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate SHAGUN Sharma for such a remarkable feat, and we wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF offline, online, and correspondence with video program for the upcoming June 2023 attempt. Along with that, the institute is also offering GATE 2024 preparation for GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and Ecology Evolution. Beside that, all the master entrances for life sciences and environmental sciences is being also guided to the student. If the people are interested in giving specific interview and they are interested in doing masters or PhD from abroad, the guidance is available for the same in different modes at our center and in the online program also. So those who are interested, they can reach to our head office at A.S.S. Science Foundation, which is situated in Shastri Nagar, Delhi. Once again, we would like to congratulate SHAGUN Sharma for such a remarkable feat and making all the faculty and staff of A.S.S. Science Foundation proud. So we wish you good luck for future and the PhD journey. Thank you.